To construct an inscribed regular hexagon or an equilateral triangle, we're going to do both. So first of all, inscribed means it's inside a circle. Regular means that all sides are the same and all angles are the same. Hexagon has 6 sides, equilateral triangle, 3 sides. Here's how we go about that. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a radius. So it doesn't have to be exactly the one that I draw, but I'm going to go from the center to the side of the circle. Then we're going to measure how long that is. Now, when I say measure with a compass, you can't use a ruler. So what you have to do is kind of center the compass on the center of the circle and find a hole that best matches that length. So if you kind of see here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th one on the bottom. Right, so I'm going to keep that in mind. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to center the compass where it intersects the side of the circle, and then I'm going to use that same hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to keep making arcs that intersect the circle that are 6 holes away from the last intersection point. So I'm going to keep doing that all the way around the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arc. Move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arc. Oops, I slid. There. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arc. Center it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arc. Now once we get to here, we can kind of check to see if we're right. Now remember, there's always some human error, so it might not be perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it should, yeah, I got a little error there, but it should be right there, but I think I'm, for what we need to do, close enough. Alright, so to draw the hexagon, we connect all of those intersection points. I'm gonna go with what should have been. So I'm gonna go from here. Alright, so there's an inscribed hexagon. Alright, now if it asks us to draw an inscribed equilateral triangle, what we could do is, instead of connecting every single arc, we would connect every other arc. What I mean by that is, if I start here, don't connect to here, I guess there's a couple ways we could do this. Connect to here, skip one, connect to here, and then connect those two. That would be an equilateral triangle. You could also, this wouldn't be inscribed, but if you just want to draw an equilateral triangle, you could have your radius connect these two, and then connect these two. So this greenish one, that wouldn't be inscribed, but it would be an equilateral triangle, because you'd have a radius, and then this was measured as another radius. Okay, so you've got 3 things going on here. You've got the inscribed hexagon, you've got the inscribed equilateral triangle, and then you've got just an equilateral triangle centered, or with from the center.